Unfortunately, without crashing, we just came up a little short on a jump, and it's an unfortunate report we have to make, but we ruptured the Achilles tendon. That's going to put us out for the rest of this season.
That was Jeremy Coker saying the end of Eli Tomac's season is over after his Achilles injury. And personally, I think the end of his career, considering he was already talking about retiring early this year, and with a major injury like that, I think it's like 6 to 8 months, somebody was saying, for just to heal, much less to even get back into racing form. And you can see right here, he's telling the guy, the medical guy, nope, my knee's gone. Like, just head down. He knows the championship's over. He knows he's fully injured. And you can see right here, they kind of show it. When he lands, his knee just goes straight backwards. I guess, the Achilles tendon too just snapped, ruptured Achilles. And he knew immediately. You can tell he's already stopping there. And he just rolls, pulls over. I mean, this has to suck for him. The pain he's got to be in right now. And he still has to roll himself all the way back to the medical truck without hitting anything, without falling over, and definitely doesn't want to have to shift or anything. But this is just, to me, I think this is the end of his career. And it sucks because this championship should have been his. The outdoor championship and the playoff championship would have been an awesome fight between him and Chase. And you can see right here, when he gets to the medical center, he has nothing. Somebody has to help him walk. It sucks to see because this really should have been his year. And an injury like that, when he's already 30 and already thinking about retirement, I personally think this is the end of it. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think he's going to come back and race next year maybe, or whatever it is? Comment something down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.